Asia, Ojo Yajo. I don't know which one is Ojo means. Ojo Asia? Ojo Asia? Oh, okay, Ojo Yajo. 这个是亚洲，这个是亚洲，对。While we're passing this one, you are able to see our first bridge on your left-hand side. So, I will take you for switch cruise. We will enjoy this beautiful weather. So you will see our first bridge as well. Our third bridge is a little far to the Black Sea. So if you sail on your right side, it's Romania, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia. If you sail this way, it's Aegean Sea. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. All right. Take a look this color, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look this color, ladies and gentlemen. Half is on Europe, half is on Asia. Take a look. This is Anatolian Fortress. Another 6 minutes at mosque, Chaplaja Hill. We're gonna call all of them, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look this turquoise color. Maybe I will show you dolphin. Yeah, it's the time for dolphin, ladies and gentlemen. And we can feed some seagulls as well, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. I am not saying anything. Can you read the label what's written up there on the right? Okay, can you read? Asia. Welcome to Istanbul, everybody. I know camera is first. Now we will join with our watch whiskers. If you guys are lucky, I can show you dolphin because they are having babies. They will like show the babies on May and April, ladies and gentlemen. So this is Spice Bazaar. Tomorrow I will bring you there, ladies and gentlemen. You see, lots of people are fishing. What they fish? Mackerel, anchovy, sardine. It's like a therapy for them, ladies and gentlemen. So one of our boats, we're gonna have it. So first, we have a small mosque up there. We have a WC there. Let's use the bathroom there, ladies and gentlemen. And then afternoon, I'll be taking you around all historical peninsula. All right, less than 10 seconds. We are leaving our bus.